Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, getting back to normal after the Christmas hiatus from buying stuff on eBay. Prices are coming down and I'm beginning to buy junk again. Now, this is the epitome of junk. I found this on eBay for 10 bucks. It's a Marx 666. There's only a couple pictures of it. And it is absolutely trashed. But I bought it just to get the motor out of it, and it is a smoker. So I'm curious to see what kind of condition the motor itself is in. So thank God for newspaper rather than styrofoam peanuts. All right, let's get this unwrapped and see what kind of condition it's actually in. Now it is really rough, I know that, just from the photos. But like I said, I bought it for the motor, and it is a smoker, so I'm curious to see what kind of condition it's actually in. And as you can see, it is trashed in the extreme. Wow. Yes, it is. One of the bearing is out of place on this wheel. Oh dear. So, this thing is junk. There's no doubt. Like I said, I bought it just to get the motor out of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull the motor out of it. They've got some screws in it. New screws, it looks like. Alright, let's pull this out and see what we have here. So, it is in dreadful condition, no doubt. But it's going to be curious to see if it will even buzz. Anyway, let me pull the camera off the tripod and take a look at this thing. So, as you see, it is a smoker, and this motor is literally just trashed. I mean, it's in just dreadful, dreadful condition. The question is, let's see if it'll even buzz and see if it does anything at all. Look at that. Now the rear bearing is out of position, so it's going to hang up. And let's see. All right, it runs forward and reverse, it looks like. All right, so anyway, I've got to get this cleaned up, get the wheels sorted out. It's loose on the axle, but that's easy enough to fix. This is loose on the mount. That's easy enough to fix. So once I get this sorted out, we'll see if it will smoke. If not, I already have a running motor, so it was already worth the money I spent on it. 10 bucks, as you see, missing the front bezel. I have a front bezel, so that's no big deal. And with one of the first locomotives I bought after the prices began to drop. Anyway, I've got a 595 coming as well. So we'll see how this goes, but it's already running, so I've lost nothing. The motor itself is worth what I paid for the entire thing. And I've got a front bezel, and the shell itself isn't terrible. So put a front bezel on it, you at least have a 666 shell that looks comparatively complete. The motor, like I said, tighten up the E unit, or tighten up the smoker, or smoke generator, get that sorted out, get these wheels sorted out. Like I said, this one is loose on the axle. So it'll be fairly easy to get this repaired, I think. It's already running. So, like I said, I've lost nothing. And you can see somebody's been tweaking with the motor. It's really bent right there for some reason. I have no idea why. But it doesn't look like they've been prying on the wheels any. But you can see how bent this is. So someone did try to pry this wheel off. So we will see how this goes. Anyway, it's complete. I'll get the smoke generator tightened up, and we'll take it from there. Anyway, 10 bucks on eBay, double reduction motor, and it's already running. So if nothing else, I'll just pull the smoke generator off and put a standard crossbar on it. Take it from there. But in parts alone, it's worth more than I paid for. So anyway, just a quick unboxing video. This is the first one, first locomotive to arrive since, like I said, the Christmas hiatus from buying anything. And the prices are slowly coming back down, so got some more locomotives coming. So I'll get this straightened out. We'll take it from there. Just wanted to do an unboxing video and see what kind of condition this thing was in. As you see, it is tweaked. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.